This is a 62-inch white grand fireplace from Biglots, priced at $549. Today, we'll unbox, assemble, and review this product. This electrical fireplace is controlled with a remote or an app on your phone. The temperature range for this fireplace is between 59 degrees and 86 degrees. This electrical fireplace comes with many options, like log brightness, flame brightness, and flame color. And it even comes with a child lock for safety. So first, let's go ahead and unbox the fireplace. This fireplace comes with a lot of pieces, so it's best to get organized before assembly. And here are the assembly instructions. So when you unbox all these parts, it's a good idea to separate every part so you can stay organized. All the parts for this fireplace are packed well with styrofoam. After unboxing all the parts, I went back and checked, and I had no dings or defects. All the nuts, bolts, washers, and hardware are contained in one package. And this hardware includes an Allen wrench. However, you will need a Phillips head screwdriver. But that's all the tools you'll need to assemble this fireplace. My total assembly time for this fireplace was about 3 hours. And I took a few breaks here and there. These 3 pieces are the marble-looking tile that will surround the fireplace. And I have to say, it looks really And guys, remember, if you like this video, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive. And once again, these are the A, B, and C combination bolts and washers. And now we'll flip this piece over, and you can see this is the bottom, or the stand for the fireplace. On both sides, you'll add 2 wood dowels, and then place the side panels into those dowels. And once again, use the A, B, and C combination to secure both side panels to the bottom. 2 wood dowels, add the side panel, connect 2 screws, the A, B, and C combination. Now it's time to add the assembly brackets. These will connect to the decorative front panels. And up to this point, we're still using the A, B, and C combination for the bolts and washers. Now secure the decorative front panel And now secure the second front panel. Next, we'll secure the support panel with the T-B-C bolts and washers combination. Once again, hand tighten first, then use the Allen wrench, to finish tightening the bolts. Brackets use the A, B, and C combination. Now add the 4 wood dowels, 2 on each side, and then place the board on top. This board is secured with 3 A, B, and C bolts and washers. Hand tighten, then use an Allen wrench to finish it. Next, we'll assemble the side pieces for the top of the mantel, and these use the A, B, and C combination. Now it's time to add these side pieces to the top of the mantel. So flip the top over, add 2 wood dowels on each side, and secure the side pieces with the A, B, and C combination. Next, it's time to connect the 3 hinges to the glass door. You'll connect each hinge with 2 G screws. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver. Next, attach this hinge using the 4M screws. Do not tighten all these screws all the way until you get all 4 screws in. Then go back and tighten. Okay, we're all done. Next, flip this over and put it on top of the mantel. I do apologize for not filming this part, but there's 4 wood dowels that you need to add before putting the top on. And you're going to secure this top with 4 bolts using the DBC combination. Next, we're going to secure the back panel with 16 F screws. Okay, we're all done. Next, we want to prepare the fireplace for the installation. There's 3 brackets that need to be installed to the fireplace. Each bracket is connected with 3 AA screws. Go ahead and remove the plastic piece. This remote has 4 buttons. Top left is the power on and off. The top right is the mode button. There's a temperature mode, a timer mode, and a brightness mode. The bottom 2 buttons are up and down buttons. And that's it. If you want to control this fireplace with your phone, go to iTunes or the Play Store and download Fireplace Remote Source Pro. And this allows you to use your phone via Bluetooth to control your fireplace. So guys, we've had this fireplace for a few weeks now. I love the way it looks stylish. It's very solid and heavy. It's like a solid piece of furniture. The fireplace functions well. From what it says, it's supposed to heat or cool a 400 square foot room. And as you can see, our room is much bigger than 400 square feet. So when we sit on the couch or we sit on the floor, we can feel the heat, and that's good. However, anywhere beyond the couch, we cannot feel the heat. But to be honest, we bought this fireplace for the aesthetics, mainly for the look of the fire. In the storage compartment, the top of the mantel is pretty nice, and we can put quite a few things in it. However, I did find it wasn't deep enough to put our PS4 in, or our Blu-ray player. The only complaints I have about this fireplace is that when the fireplace is on, it has a loud humming sound. And as you can see, our TV is right above the mantel, so when the fire is on, we have to turn up the volume on the TV. However, it's not really a big deal. This fireplace is probably as loud as a space heater. Not too bad. So for our review, we would definitely recommend this fireplace. And like I said before, this took about 3 hours to assemble, with a few breaks in between. So if you do buy this fireplace, this video should help you assemble it. And there'll be a link in the description below to where you can buy this fireplace. And remember, this fireplace is priced at $549. Well guys, we're all done here. And as usual, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you like these videos, give a thumbs up and share it. If you love it, hit subscribe to keep this channel alive. Thanks again for watching.